We've been expecting the daily cycle low on Bitcoin and the crypto market for some time now. This is Ethereum behind me, and by my count, we should be putting in the daily cycle low, making the November 21st low the intermediate cycle low. We currently have bullish divergence on the relative strength index. We have the Bressert about to cross, confirming that that would be the low. And we have the MACD starting to curve towards green momentum. This all happening on the daily chart. And if you've been following for any amount of time, you know that we're big Richard Wyckoff fans here, or the Wyckoff method, and the accumulation schematic number 1 or number 2 is what we've been following ever since last November. All of this dip, all of this price action is built in because of timing patterns and windows, not because of narratives and bad ideas. I remember buying Chainlink at 89 cents about 7 years ago. I had to hold my nose and do it at the time because everyone was freaking out. After that, it charged towards $52 and changed my life. So on days like today, you have to zoom out and realize that in a couple of years, or maybe in a few months, you'll be that person that everybody thought was lucky because you bought at the inopportune time. And what I mean by inopportune is like, this is what you feel like today, right? All the catastrophes, the wall of worry that we crawl upward as optimistic investors. There's always gonna be some disaster, some geopolitical event, some gold, silver narrative, some legislature, somebody in the headlines trying to shake you out and scare you. When in reality, crypto, and specifically Bitcoin, is simply a high beta play to the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. And according to the hermetic time patterns and cycles of these larger asset classes, Bitcoin did not exist and therefore is a few steps behind the other multi-year and multi-cycle patterns. And currently, this bear trap that you can see in the past for S&P 500 and NASDAQ is what we're experiencing now, which obviously preceded more melt-up. So if you believe in crypto, but you don't want to do this alone, and days like today just make you want to check your sanity, go to cryptoyall.com.